Four photographers sat at a table. One was a bald white guy from New Jersey who wears glasses. He wears his camera on his hip when not in use. It's a Nikon, a full-frame mirrorless camera. He ordered the burger, medium well, with bacon. Another was a black man, also from New Jersey, who holds his Sony cropped sensor mirrorless camera on his wrist pretty much all the time. It's rarely in the bag. He ordered the burger, medium, with bacon. Next was a white Canadian girl who recently switched to Sony from another brand. Her full-frame Sony mirrorless camera was packed away in her bag. She didn't have it in sight. She ordered her burger, medium well, no bacon. Last was a white guy from Michigan who uses a micro four thirds camera, Olympus, also mirrorless. He had his camera with its attached neck strap sitting on the table. His burger was cooked medium and without bacon. As you can see, all four people are unique. Each has their likes and dislikes. Each has their tastes for things, whether that's coffee or tea, water or soda, whether that's a big camera, a small camera, mirrorless, not mirrorless, neck strap, wrist strap, or belt camera holster. It didn't matter what equipment was used or why, or what they ordered, or why they ordered what they did. It didn't matter what the color of their skin was, or their hair, or where they were from. What mattered was the kindness for each other, friendship, conversation, and the meal that was shared. What mattered was all being friendly people, together in the same place, at the same table. The experience is what mattered. Enjoy your time with others. Life is short, so make the best of it. As Ellen DeGeneres says at the end of every show, be kind to one another. Now, to prove my point that things don't matter, I just want to share that normally my videos are recorded with a mirrorless or an SLR or something like that. Typically, more recently, the Nikon Z6 is my camera of choice. But this entire video, while it's short, was filmed on my iPhone 10. And I have a Moment lens, 18mm remote Moment lens on it, a Rode Video Mic Me L for the audio. I'm using Filmic Pro on the iPhone, and I have it mounted with a Glyph camera clamp that is on top of the switch pod. With that said, it works very well.